Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace Royal Mail Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin provides the Royal Mail shipping method for shipping the products domestically and internationally from the United Kingdom itself. And by using this plugin, now the marketplace admin and the sellers can provide the Royal Mail shipping service to their customers. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end, how the customers can select the particular marketplace Royal Mail shipping method at the time of checkout and how they can place the orders thereafter. And we'll also be checking out how the marketplace vendors would be able to set up the Royal Mail shipping plugin under their own marketplace account dashboard by entering their client ID and the client secret. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the checkout page right now on my Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace right now. And here you can see that I've selected my address as United Kingdom, Aberdeen, Scotland. And if I scroll down under the shipping methods, we can find the multiple shipping services provided by the marketplace Royal Mail shipping. As you can see, just like we have the second class small parcel, second class medium parcel, we have guaranteed by 1 p.m., we have express 48, we have express am, express 24, and express 48 Saturday as well. Now the customers can choose any one of them that they find as convenient to them, and then they can tap on the next button to proceed to the checkout page. Now on the payment or on the reviewing the payment section, here the customers need to choose the payment method and then place the order thereafter. But under the order summary as well, they'll find the details of the shipping method. So here you can see that the shipping amount is £7.90, and the shipping title is Marketplace Royal Mail Shipping there, and the method name is second class small parcel. Now after checking these details, the customer can proceed further to place the order by tapping on the place order button. And as soon as the order has been placed, the customer can check the order details once again to check the selected shipping method. So you can see that the order has been placed and the order number is this. So let me tap on that and we'll be taken to the order history of the customer there. And here's the product, that's the new t-shirt that was sold by John Stowe. And if I scroll down here under the shipping method, I can find the shipping title, that's the Marketplace Royal Mail Shipping, and the method name, that is signed for second class small parcel. So this was the workflow at the customer's end. Now let's go to the marketplace vendors end, and first we'll see how the marketplace vendors would be able to set up the Royal Mail shipping under their own account panel, and then we'll be proceeding further to show you how he can manage the orders for which the Royal Mail shipping method was selected. Now under the marketplace dashboard on the left hand side, for the marketplace vendors, they'll find one option, that is the Royal Mail configuration. So they need to tap on that, on the Royal Mail configuration, and this will bring up the manage Royal Mail configuration. Now this option comes only after the admin has enabled or allowed the marketplace vendors to manage the Royal Mail configuration settings. If that setting is set to as no, then the marketplace vendors will not find this option and would not be able to set up their own client ID and the client secret for their account at the Royal Mail itself. So that option should be set to as yes, only then can the marketplace vendors manage the Royal Mail configuration settings. Now here for the marketplace Royal Mail configuration, the vendors need to enter their own personal client ID and the client secret that they get after registering at the Royal Mail shipping website itself. So just in a few seconds from now, I'll just show you how we can do that. After I've shown you the process of managing the order, I'll show you how to generate the client ID and the client secret as well. So that client ID and the client secret needs to be put here, and then you need to tap here on the save button, and now you'll be able to provide the Royal Mail shipping services to your customers so that they can place the orders for your particular product, and this shipping service would be available to them for selection at the checkout time, or they can view it in the view and edit cart as well while they are selecting their address there, domestically for the UK and internationally as well. So that was how to manage the Royal Mail configuration settings for the marketplace vendors. Now let's go to the my order history section and let's check that particular order number 6000001. So here's the order number that we were just checking out, that was placed by the customer there. Let's tap here on the view order button. Now this would bring up the complete details of the order itself, and the vendor can with the details there and can check the selected shipping method by the customer. So here's the manage order. So if I scroll down here, we'll be able to see the shipping method selected by the customer. So it was the marketplace Royal Mail shipping. This is the title of the shipping method, and the method name was second class parcel. So now the vendor will have to check here as well. So here you can see that the shipping and the handling is for 7.90 pounds. That's the same one for the second class small parcel that was selected by the customer. And from here, the vendor will generate the invoice and the shipment. So let's generate the invoice first, and then we'll be generating the shipment as well. So the invoice has been generated for this particular order. Now to generate the shipment, the vendor needs to enter the tracking number first. After entering the tracking number, he'll have to tap here on the ship button. Then on the prompt, he'll have to tap OK to create the shipment, and that would start the generation of the shipment there for this particular order. So you can see that the shipment has been created and the shipment is visible here. Now if I go to the shipments tab, we'll be able to find the shipping and the tracking information. Here's the carrier, the title, the tracking number, and from here we can print the shipment as well by tapping on the print shipment button, and that would download the packaging slip and we can open it up. So let's open the packaging slip, and within the packaging slip as well we'll find the same amount and the shipping method there. So if I scroll down here, here's the marketplace Royal Mail shipping and signed for, that's the second class small parcel, and the total shipping charges are for 7.90 pounds. And here you can see the same, and here's the tracking number for the courier itself. So that was the marketplace vendors, and how the marketplace vendors would be able to manage the orders for which the shipping has been selected as the Royal Mail shipping. And now let me show you how to generate the client ID and the client secret. And After we have generated that up, you have to navigate to this Royal Mail configuration setting. Let's go to the Royal Mail configuration setting under the marketplace account dashboard of the customer, and here we need to enter the client ID and the client secret. So now let me take you to the other section wherein I'll just show you how to generate the client ID and the client secret itself. So to get the Royal Mail API credentials, what you need to do is you need to navigate to the developer.royalmail.net, and this page would appear here. On the top right hand corner you have to tap on the create an account. Otherwise, if you already have an account at royalmail.net, then you can directly log in and you can access your credentials that we'll be checking out in a moment from now. So for now, let's create an account first. So I'll just tap here on the create an account link, and that would bring up this particular section to create a new account. Now let me go ahead and let me enter my details here, and I'll be entering the email address, and it should be a valid email address, and your email is your username as well. Let me set up the password. Let's confirm the password. Let me provide the first name and the last name, the developer organization. Then we have the terms and conditions. We'll accept the terms and conditions, Then we have to enter the captcha. So let's enter that up. Q9L5, and thereafter we'll tap here on the create new account button. And after we are registered here, you'll see that an email would be sent out there for the account activation there. So what you need to do is you need to navigate to your email, and you have to click on that particular link that you will have received, and then you'll come back to this particular section here, and then we'll be logging in by tapping here on the login button that we have. So let's go to the login here. So here we'll be entering the email address that we use for registration and the password thereafter. But before that, we need to verify our account by accessing the email address there. So let me proceed further. And actually the mail that you will receive for the activation there would be in your junk maybe. So you need to check your inbox or the junk section there. So let me activate it, then we'll be entering the username password and we'll be logging into our Royal Mail account there. So after entering the details, I've tapped on the login button there, and now you can see that I've logged into my account here. So now we'll tap on the my apps option that you can see here, and that will bring up this particular section. Here we'll tap on the create new app on the right hand side. So I'll tap on that, and then we have to register our application. So the application name, as you can see here, the name of the system that will be using the API, including your 10 character Royal Mail account number. So your application name would be a combination of the app name and the 10 character Royal Mail account number. And for now I'll just set it as test application, and you have to set up the description, or you have to describe what your application does and include your business name within this particular, describe the function or the purpose of your application here, and then tap on the submit button. Now after we've tapped on the submit button, we'll be able to find that the application has been created successfully. Here's our client secret. As you can see, we can check this option to view our client secret, and if I scroll down, here is our test application, and here's the client ID there itself. So now the client ID and the client secret is there. So these can be utilized by the marketplace admin as well as the marketplace vendors to set up their Royal Mail shipping system by setting up the client ID and the client secret there. So that was much about the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace Royal Mail shipping plugin, and I hope this helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com, raise a ticket at webcool.udesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.